Hey guys, Chris here with OmniMetrics and welcome back to the channel. Got a quick one for you today where I want to go over our new common message enhancement that we have just released within OmniView. Now you may be asking me, what is a common message? Well, we have received some feedback from both our end users and our dealers, and a lot of folks were looking for the ability to send out a mass notification. So an example would be, let's say there was a unit or two that was affected by something and all the alarms are going off. There's tons of notifications going out. This common message feature will give you the ability to send a mass message to everybody that's a message recipient. So in this case, let's just say you have 20 message recipients and a generator looks like it's running too fast, it's about to explode, you shut it off. You can message everyone that is a message recipient within that unit and say, hey, Mr. or Mrs. Customer, or whoever is receiving message notifications, we are aware of this issue. We turn the generator off and we are sending someone out to you to address the issue now so you don't have any problems. So it'll save you a ton of time and you can send that common message out to many, many people. You can even send it out to everyone that is under your umbrella. So let's dive right in and I'll show you how it works. So now that we're logged into OmniView, I'll show you how to utilize the common message feature. So first things first, when you log in, you'll need to select the unit that you want to send that common message to. Just click the unit ID and you will find the messaging envelope here. Now, with that being said, if this envelope is red or if it's in your actual columns here, MSG, which is actually messaging. I just wanted to actually show you that. So the green envelope here, you can click either one, but if it is not green, that means messaging is not enabled and you will need to add. So we'll click it here. Notice it takes you to this screen. If I go back and click it here, it takes you to the same screen. So as long as you see the envelope, everything will work. Now the common message is up in this corner. Just hit common message and it will give you all the recipients under there as well as their address. Notice these are all actual emails, but if you have a phone number in there, you can actually send it via text message to that phone number. So I want to send it to myself, the OmniMetrics team, and a company user, and I just want to say, the unit has a massive amount of alarms, so I turned the generator off and I will be sending a tech your way. Once I do that, just hit send. If it's email, it will email the customer the same way a notification goes out, or if it's text message, it will text them that same way. If you type the wrong message, just hit cancel here. But that's how simple the common message tool is. So that's the common message feature. Hope this saves you a ton of time and frustration should you have any issues pop up where you need to communicate to multiple people all at once just to get your ducks in a row. As I like to end all these videos, I do want to go over the customer support section within OmniView. It is on the left-hand side at the very bottom, and if you click that, you'll see 3 links below. First one will be the customer support form. That will allow you to reach out to our tech support team and address any concerns or issues you may have. You can also call them at 770-209-0012, hit option 2, and that will put you in touch with them directly. The second one is our OMV 2.0 feedback form. Now what that allows you to do is give us feedback on some things that maybe would help you in your OmniView experience. So for example, this was part of the feedback where customers and or dealers have reached out to us and said, hey, I'm having to go in and individually message people and there's an issue with this generator and I can't let everyone know that we're looking at it. So with that feedback, we created this enhancement. So it's a great tool, great form if you want to reach out and provide any feedback to better enhance your user experience within OmniView. The third one is the video link, and that will link you to our YouTube channel, which has tutorials, more product walkthroughs, case studies, and everything in between. So make sure you like and subscribe there. On behalf of all of us at OmniMetrics, I want to thank you for your continued partnership and support, and we'll see you in the next one.